Hello guys, how are you? Today I will discuss with you about dcombat.zone. This is the advent of Metasports, blockchain powered MMA, world's first MMA DAO, full stake content marketplace, no rules fight policy, limited token supply. You can buy here click on this icon. So, welcome to MMA on the blockchain. Decompat maximize the value of MMA by merging it with blockchain technology. MMA is thriving industry and Decompat takes it to Web3 as a DAO. Decompat crowd finances procedure and provide liquidity to 100% blockchain powered fighting entertainment with a non-rules fight policy. If the UFC feels old and dusty, Decombat is your own chain steroid treatment. We believe in fintech reared rich baby. Decompat combines a decentralized business model with top of the class MMA entertainment with one of the most innovative teach solution. Decombat spells a historical shift in MMA and online sport, the advent of meta sport. This is your opportunity to make a significant return sporting on the biggest revolutions in sport entertainment. As yourself, this do you regret not getting in the Bitcoin 10 years ago? Now is your chance to make up for it and get it while you can still. You can check out the this is platform. This is SM Powerhouse Metasports blockchain powered MMA bridge between physical sport and blockchain technology, high liquidity, profit and return, no middleman, your stakes are yours. Faster, harder and more fun. What makes Decombat special? Innovation and profit. Direct ownership by owning a Decombat token, you own part of the DAO. There is no broker between you and your ownership. MMA is a multi-billion-dollar industry with blockchain tech added. Decombat boosted its profitability beyond imagination. As an example, Bitcoin appreciated more than 2 million times since 2009. Don't you wish you gotten it back? Then exactly now your chance to make up for it. No holds barred. Decombat has no rules policy without exception. UFC approved regulations such as time don't apply here. You get the hardest fight this side of legitimity, all financed in crypto. More fun as a DAO owner, you decide not just how it run but who gets to fight whom, when and how much. The DAO put the control back to where it belongs in the hand of audience. Innovation design. Decombat is stalwart in blockchain powered metasport, both in business model and technical integration are forefront of development. We take MMA Web3 in balls. No middleman. With Decombat, you own your stakes directly. There is no broken middleman and any other entity that interfere with your ownership. Your token are your and you do with them yourself. Full Web3 integration, state of the art DApp. Decombat mobile app combines the power of Web3, the ease of user friendly UI. Token holder can buy, sell, trade and stake their digital asset while enjoying new content every day. Seamless Web3 integration, new content every day, exclusive token holder perks, highest staking return in the industry, full DAO ownership, You own DCompact, a fully decentralized project. You as token holder on DCompact with imitation. So you can more check out about exclusive market, and you can check out live launch event. You can check out how to buy. You can check out their features, how to buy. This is a schedule for airdrop 2021. You can sign up here. ICO crowd sale November 24 January, exchange listing 20 January 2022. So DAO launch March 2022. Live launch party July 2022. Native blockchain December. So thanks for watching my video.